We are so back. Welcome everybody. Don't quite know if my chat is being... Okay, chat is live. That's great. Study is on. And we have precisely so there's precisely 3 days before our big man Advent of Code. 3 days on Sunday. I believe I should be able to code. At the very least on tomorrow, I'm sure I'm here. So tomorrow we're gonna start. We're gonna give it a try and actually no. Now that I think about it, Sunday. Oh, it's a Saturday, so Saturday I'm. God damn it! Why is the calendar set up this way? Turn off display Julian. Nope, not better. Yeah. Anyway, so on Saturday I am not streaming, which would mean that tomorrow we will fix up our folder. Today we'll go a little bit further with the app. I mean, honestly, I'm quite satisfied with how much Rust have you done up until now. I don't think that there's way too much stuff to be learned, specifically to get going with the Advent. But we will check out today for that. And honestly, the other thing that I wanted to take a look at, I'm gonna use the time of the stream. Maybe by the end of it, if there's no one, I'm gonna start fixing it. Is to fix my audio because I want to have separate infrared so I can set up my else in a different way. But first, let's do a short and sweet little bit of programming. Last time. So alt unit test for pacing, which will be parsing, and refactor the file handling. Yeah. Last time we put a folder of file handling. There we go. So here's the folder. And we tested the file. Well, actually, the test didn't run, did it? Because we had that issue with there was a small issue with validation should err less than 2 args. Yeah, I should change the name because it isn't that anymore. Would be should remove comment. So file handling test. Yeah, the file name is a little bit superfluous. I don't know quite what to do with the file name since I already have the mod that's handled over there. Is there any way that I could remove the mod and just apply the tests to the folder? I mean, this is going to be a pretty file for later. Now, my guess is because left, right, and left is my correct one, which is the print with the 4 spaces, but in this time we have 8 spaces, which led me to believe that simply the problematic part of this code is the fact that I'm writing tab. Tab by my formatter gets formatted as 4 spaces, while tab by default is 8 spaces. So is there any way to deal with this? How to choose how many spaces is a tab when writing two files? But first off, you won't see, like when printed out, you won't see explicitly the symbol. Is there any way for me to see slash b? I'm guessing there's no slash b, there's only 4 spaces. Let's print out what I'm reading from the beginning and then what I'm reading from the loop. So we go to the parse file, right? Of the capture group, but is the data. So we're gonna print a data.copy. Okay. So the formatting is actually pretty nice when I read it up. I wish to know if there's some way how to print uh, how to print string without no, that's not it. It will be how to um, the idea will be how to not unformat, but the special tags like slash n. I don't remember how it would be called. Slash n programming. Okay, how to print escaped characters in Java. I wish to know how do I print Java. Rust. yesterday I worked out with my friend how to make the frame rate consistent with the speed of the characters, and the project is in Java. So that's why I have that language in mind today. Okay, yeah, how do I print this? I have video like So we could replace it a couple of times. That would be nice. Which would mean let data this the data equals data that replace. So it's be order slash n slash n. It's quite the opposite. Okay. And same with the B. T tab. Okay. All right. I feel like I've messed it up. How to print out escaped. Give me a hand, dude. I know you can do this stuff. Okay, let's try with the debug. See where this tests out. Okay then. So function main would be new line. New line. Yeah, this is what I would think should be happening, right? But what would clean data represent? Okay, so C. Oh, because there's the 4 extra spaces that I did not account in the previous line. That's where the extra 4 is coming from. Okay, at least we know why. Now, as to how to fix this would be it would be a -4 by default. Can you play AI Minecraft? What? Also, why did I not disable the no, I can't play the AI Minecraft. What is it even AI Minecraft? It's online. Is it your product? Is this your stuff? Okay. No, we are doing some. We aren't playing stuff today. There you go. disabled. No, we aren't playing stuff today. We're programming Rust. The advent of code is close. I need to get my shit together. It's made in AI. Yeah, I don't care much about AI. Literally, there's one thing I care little in the world, and that's AI. Basically, everyone is spamming it like it has been spammed beforehand. The crypto, and before that was the stocks. There's a lot of shiny words. I don't care about those. I'm really enjoying programming, and I'm really enjoying learning about programming. And I don't wish to use some bespoke tools that aren't really that great to do much of real work. Now it's great to sell the AI products. I see a lot of people having a great time with it. Not gonna be part of that. Can't really care. In the meantime, okay, so the four spaces, I would say that so the -4 will get it done. Yeah, for say this is the what would you call it? This is the simple case, but if I have diverse level of indenting, I should find everything before. I should be able to, I should identify if my line, like how deep I am into the indenting. Which will actually mean that my regex should find anything beforehand that is a character except the spaces. So anything that's not a space should match before the string. That should be fixing my problem for good. Regex that matches anything. It would be like regex, not this char. In the reg that match anywhere, so there is not either or. So it's be not. So would this be like that? Yeah. Anything that is not space. All right. So any not any. Wait, how will this match? Because I want it to match that one, but also beforehand should not match any space going back. I guess it will be this capture group, right? So /s. Oh, this one much dick. That's a bit of a problem. I guess I could divide it in two matches. Or I guess once I know I can move my start one as far back based on, I could parse a little bit in the back. right? I should be able to parse every space going backwards. Would be like, let's say, there's TMP start. I could make a little loop. Let's call it indentation. It's going to be equal to 0. Right. It's gonna be a quick loop over this. Indentation is going to be equal to tmp.start. And actually, tmp.start. If first, if indentation is 0, we break. Second criteria would be if indentation, actually it's going to be if data that indentation -1 is different than space, then we break. Otherwise, indentation -. Well, how about that? Okay, basically, if I, oh, it's my connection now. That's something good. Is my tablet connection on? Okay, we're so back. Yeah, it definitely slowed out. Oh shit, don't. Okay. Let's keep a dashboard over here as well. Great. And anyway, okay, let's close this up. And anyway, okay, this one should be able to tell my data that the correct level of indentation, which would then in turn fix this idea here. Maybe go for an indefinite loop. But that's not good. Yep. So we break when it's 0 and we break when this condition is true. Let's take a look at this condition here. God damn it, I deleted. Ciao, ma. Yo, wake up. It's a string. Come on. Just to string it. What is this? No, wait, I have to. God damn it. How do you print? Just print stuff on test. No capture. Because a shit ain't returning nothing. Well, that's terrible. Why? Dude, why is it now a type string? It's literally, I've used the method to string. It can be like a string. It's unwrap. It's a match. Oh, charat. There should be like any function that works with this. So chars, temptation. It's an iterator, but I wish it has been. I wish it would be something different. But I just want to access some shit. So to string numString equals 1, the error is numString cannot be indexed using useSites. This also might help. Will it be now? A string. So chars would be the ideal one, but chars at the same time doesn't give me any useful method by the index. While chars indexes wait, and they positions get at index. Next sum into last use next equal get clone. Wait. God damn it. Of course you can't. Dude, okay. NTH? What? Okay, so that's good. That's definitely a space. Yeah, there's progress. Let's go to the bathroom. Be right back. Now it feels like I'm fighting a lost battle over here, to be 100% honest. What is this? So it's a space. Actually, it wouldn't be minus indentation, it would be only indentation. Mm. Wait, how come? Why wouldn't it be the same? Okay, so this should work. Maybe I should use equal rather than equal. Equal to this. Still false. Why would it be false? Now beforehand we tried like 5, which would be n. This is still false. It's a new line. Okay, so 10 is n, right? Okay, so something weird is happening. Dude, allow me to... Son of a bitch. Okay, good. It should be true. But it isn't here. And I know that's an n. And I know that's a space. And the unwrapping does give me some stuff. I miss Go. Okay, if card is different, break. How is this? How is this working precisely? 15, 15. What? Oh, because I'm every time putting indentation over here. God damn it. Now it's an I. What? Okay, so it started in the correct position, and it's a 15, and it breaks. Because I will find an I where? What do you mean I found an I? What I? Like, am I going crazy? We get one card back, and it's an I. So 16, 23. We go back to 15. Yay. By God. It is it. Oh my lord. I was overriding the string. That's why the bullshits keep getting smaller and smaller. Okay. And that would mean, by the way, that if I'm going to test simple comment, I mean, if I'm going to test this on something, let's say, so lever ident, in my simple comment, I copy this and this would be called so ident sol. Okay, so this would be a so ident, right? Should be a loop, let's say, where we print hello. Then we copy this is. We have more spaces here. The solution should be just this. Good. Actually, I remember that I overbind this to be able to loop over. Okay, so this is, by the way, volatile can be deleted for now. Actually, right now, okay. Good. Now, if we do the same thing with su ident, I expect this to work regardless. Yes. Very well. So we did a little bit of parsing. That's actually, honestly, that's good practice for the advent. Right now, I don't feel too much like keeping going of this. So we'll definitely start by committing it, and the next stuff, so fix the indentation problem. Okay. What I would wish to do in the last minutes, because I could even make it a short one. Unfortunately, today I work on the today I work in office, so this means that I have to get prepared, and I'm gonna make a short one, start preparing for the advent. But I don't believe I have it here, which would mean we can go ahead and clone it. Maybe change even the name. Oh no, I did change it. Very well. So in our little advent, there's a 2023, which I did not do tick, basically. Let's make it 2024. And let's set up a couple of folders and we would go back. Because in my 23, yeah, would be day one input, day one, control input, input, and day two. Guess we should separate them. God damn it. I wish I would have, like, first off, a directory for my, would be, yeah, I would call it, make their example default template. Inside template, I wish to have, you can even cargo new this stuff. Rust makes it very annoying because you can't really have different files since I need the same main. Rust makes it profoundly annoying. Tell you what, let's remove my template. Let's cargo new template. And this is a cargo run. So this works. What I would like also to try is if I have a Rust file without anything, does it work? Yeah, I need the TOML. Okay. Which means in the template, let's define a lib. My lib would have day one, day two, and all of the good stuff. So it's be a mod. We could actually make the mod and being one different day and execute them. Or part one, part two. That's what I meant. So it's going to be part one, part two. Everything get executed in the main. As one big function. Okay, don't want a target here. Git ignore. Okay, very well. Now, talking to business. The librs will take our stuff. Then we're gonna have input. Part one, part two. And finally my part one, part two, and In part 1, we will have code, address, and we will have input txt. Part 2 always going to be code input txt. Should be a big deal because there's different modules, so class compile shouldn't be having problems. And either both of them has yeah, let's take it outside here. Sample. Be called sample, for example, input.txt. There you go. So this is all the stuff. Now in lib, we're going to have a pub mod part 1. Which you have a pub mod code. Now we copy this and say it's 2. In both these cases, I would get a function that I call run. Which prints hello from part, what would be? So from part 1. Okay. Part 2. Hello from part 2. In the main, we're going to use create lib now. We would use so there's no create. A good thing I added it here. So this is where I define my stuff. What's going on in main? Nothing. I just use it. Because it's my folder name. Should be template part 1. Okay, this structure is balls in Rust because now I can copy dick. This is absolutely terrible. It's so verbose and doesn't do shit. It ain't it, chief. Simply ain't it. So run 1, run 2. Yeah, which it's all cool, sure, but But here's the deal. When I copy this, I have to still fix the idea. Well, let's give it a try. The problem is that since I'm importing it in this way from the folder name template, now when I move it, it should be a problem. Because ideally, I would want to copy my template into day one. Right? Now I go into day one. I would like to cargo run. And it works because it's called template. Well, well, well. Won't you look at that? Now, to be fair, I could do this with some program, but it is what it is. It's good enough. Guys, I'm gonna tell you today I will keep it short and sweet. Tomorrow we'll be fixing some more tests. It's just tonight I have to go out again with my girlfriend, and I don't wish to. I know if I stay here up until 8, I'm gonna be late, and everything will shift half an hour later, so I don't wish to do that. And I have to still prepare. Yesterday I got lost into the Java games, so lost a lot of time doing absolutely nothing. But actually, there was a lot of interesting discussions about how you move the player based on the frame rate, which was kind of fun. But yeah, finishing up getting way later than I wish to. This is the project. I hope we get back to it because there's a lot of programming involved. But it doesn't look like my friend is really hyped up to program anymore. So tell you what, let's see if there's anyone here. We might get a raid. If there's no one here, I'm just gonna call it a day, and for today we will do that. There's also this kind of day, sometimes you just don't get to be as hyped every day. So there's someone. I guess I'm gonna just salute you. So thank you for average stream bitrate too high. Why? Well, that's new. Well, well, well. Anyway, thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow, hopefully earlier. So bye to everybody.